Hello guys, today I want to show you how to install new bullpup kit for very famous air rifle Air Arms 410. Full kit consists from the new bullpup stock, new mechanism, assembling case and a new fastening bolt. First of all, we must to remove classic stock. For that we twist off one bolt, which here one bolt. We removed classic stock. After that we must remove 8. We must twist off 2 screws here and here. If screws tightly screwed, you may use a hammer during twist off. Very lightly, make very lightly hammering. Remove 8. After that we must install new mechanism on the gun. We must to do it very careful that no scratch the pipe of sound moderator and the mirror surface of air receiver. Now we must fixate mechanism. For it we screw on the mount here and here, and 2 screws on the 8 using small K here and here. After that we connect new mechanism directly on the original trigger. Tighten screw nut. During this operation we're not using instrument, using only hand. It's enough. Device ready. We must install safer in position fire. After that we must make more pressure on the trigger. For that we twist on screw which before in this place before trigger. We must twist on. After that we must make less free movement of the trigger. For that we screw on screw which closer to trigger. After that we return 8 on her place. Tighten 2 screws. Now we install a rifle in new stock. New stock fulfilled from the very nice dark American walnut with checkering on 3 places, here, here and on the grip. Stock is very nice. Insert new mechanism. After that tighten new fastening bolt. Okay, Bullpup ready for shooting. That's all guys, goodbye.